How to see a card number on the Wells Fargo app. To see your Wells Fargo card number, you may follow up this process. So you can sign on into the Wells Fargo. For that, go to their website, tap on the sign in option at the top right corner, or you may access it to the application as well and head over to the login page where you can use your credentials in order to log in into your account. So use your username and your password and tap on sign on option and sign in into your Wells Fargo account. After that, you can directly navigate to the section that displays your account details or your card information. And if your card is added to a digital wallet, you may see a unique digital card number assigned to that wallet. You may be able to find that CVV for your virtual card online, as some banks offer this feature through their secure platforms. And a digital card number is a unique number, and you can just go ahead and provide it up and look out for your Wells Fargo card number through the application directly. So if you'd also like to go ahead and see your card number on Wells Fargo app, you may follow up this process. You may be prompted to enter a different verification process first of all before doing so. So just go ahead and follow the process guided by the app itself, and that way you can view it. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.